his mind, and you just got to bear down, try and make a balanced pass, good strike, find the putting surface somehow.
Third shot. Is it a charm?
It was a better looking swing.
On the tee at the 11th, Gary Woodland.
Likes to slide the golf ball from left to right, so using the very right-hand side of the teeing ground. And he can launch it. That's 185 mile per hour is the magic number for ball speed, and Gary Woodland just a couple miles underneath that.
This is a grouping that many had their eyes on when the day began. It includes Xander Schauffele and this man, Tommy Fleetwood. All three are under par.
Such a repetitive, powerful golf swing. Many years ago, dreamed of playing in the Masters.
Make sure the coast is clear.
The one thing Woods has always been able to do is vary trajectory. He can go high, he can go low, and always impeccable at selecting the correct shot. But it's all about execution.
Popular spot.
It's a smart spot.
And you're looking at a two-time major champion. A winner of the PGA Championship, Martin Kaymer, in 2010. He won the U.S. Open in 2014. And that was a month after he had won the Players Championship. So he won on Mother's Day and Father's Day. Patton Kizzire made his par here at 11. And that's the first of those we've seen. Haotong Li, bunker shot. Third at the par 4 11th.
Not the easiest one in the world. You have a slope to contend with. So the decision to be made here is fly it all the way with a little spin, or try and dump it out and let the ball trundle down the hill. Deft stuff. That is deft execution from the greenside bunker. He has all the tools, Haotong Li.